Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boat guy, Brad Langdon, here at MarineMax Stuart. This morning, I'm going to walk you through a 2025 Sea Ray SPX 210. This boat up front is going to have a large sun pad with removable center cushion, access to your anchor locker, speakers up front. Looking aft, you'll see that we have sea deck on the deck of this boat, a reversible port side helm seat, makes into a sun pad as well. You have a captain's chair with a fold-up bolster, a Simrad GPS depth finder, digital throttle and shift, charging ports abound. You also have storage, port side. This boat's equipped with a bimini top, and you have stadium seating in the aft section as well. A step up with a cooler, a sun pad out back, and this boat's going to be equipped with another Mercury outboard. Also has a tow bit for water sports. If you'd like to see this boat, please stop by MarineMax Stuart. Ask for your boat guy, Brad Langdon, 704-215-3599. Thank you.